Struggling with a slow website? Your customers deserve better. Let Bajio Web Solutions transform your digital presence. In today's digital world, your website is your storefront. At Bajio Web Solutions, we build custom web solutions that perform flawlessly and scale with your growth. First, we dive deep into your business goals and audience needs. Our audits pinpoint technical gaps, speed issues, and opportunities to elevate user experience. We lay a data-driven foundation for success. Next, using cutting-edge tech like React and Node.js, we engineer fast, secure websites. Optimized for SEO and mobile, every line of code is crafted for performance and scalability, built to grow with you. Then we rigorously test across browsers and devices to ensure seamless functionality. Continuous updates keep your site ahead of the competition. Finally, watch organic traffic soar and conversions multiply. Your website isn't just a tool, it's your growth engine. Ready to upgrade? Partner with Bajio Web Solutions today.